Pooja, congratulations. I am so happy.
Pooja Di is very crazy but a very beautiful soul. I love her so much.
One very beautiful thing about Pooja is that she really has her priorities right. She really values and nurtures the relationships, and we've seen it over the years, and we are so happy that she's found Vedant, who's such a gem, and your family is going to be super happy after Pooja comes in, because she will just bring the magic and love to your family. All the very best.
Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with your body.
First of all, congratulations Vedant for the big day that you're having right now. I know you have faced a lot of big days, but this would be the biggest day of your life. And I'm really happy for you and Pooja both. Again, congratulations and have fun and best of luck.
निद्रा में किसने याद की ओरे जगाए सारी रहना रे बिया जगावे जिया जगावे दिया जगावे रे आवे रे हिचकी आवे रे हिचकी आवे रे.
So hi Vedant, I think I can just vividly remember right when we were kids, you studying with me with uncle in Nasik, and then here we are today at your mandap. So it's been, I mean, a very emotional day today for us, right?
From childhood to this mandap, long journey, and obviously we working together. So I've seen Vedant like a kid, and now today he's here getting married. It's really nice.
We have all known Vedant for at least 15 years now,
Right.
and seeing him every day, it's very hard to believe that he's finally getting married. टाइम जहाँ पे भी जाना होता है हम दोनों साथ में जाते हैं. हमारा फ्रेंड सर्कल सेम है, वर्क सर्कल सेम है, तो आई ऑलवेज मेक इट अ पॉइंट कि गाड़ी हमेशा मैं ही चलाऊंगा.
उनका पेशेंस कितना अच्छा है ड्राइविंग के मामले में.
Very patient. And
रोड रेज तो बिल्कुल नहीं
ये बिल्कुल ही नहीं करते. बहुत पेशेंट ड्राइवर हमारे वेदांत. गाड़ी तो पूछे आप ही चलाओ. Yes. He's a very good cook and
Oh yeah.
An absolute foodie. He loves any kind of food.
And
Actually,
exotic food.
He is particular about food.
And he's an Instagram foodie.
Yeah. He's a social media. रोज का डिनर हम देखने वाले Instagram पे. Yeah, very active.
Sprinkle with some fresh cilantro or something like that.
Hello everybody, wishing Vedant and Pooja a very happy married life and keep your life as simple as possible. And we really enjoyed all these celebrations and arrangements done by the Maheshwari family.
He was just still a cute student at Dartmouth College, doing his engineering degree.
Yes, and we were his friendship family, so he took us to all the Hindi festivals, and we had him to our house for all of our festivals and helped him with everything he needed to do in the US, mostly get a coat that was warm enough. We met him on Diwali, and he was wearing a very thin little zip-up coat, and he was like, I'm prepared for the winter in New Hampshire.
He had no idea how cold it was going to get.
Yes, so that's mostly what we helped him with.
Yeah, and we are just so happy you invited us to this. This has been an amazing event.
Congratulations, Vedant and Pooja. You both have been so hospitable, and this has been by far the most fun and beautiful wedding we've ever been to. There's a reason Indian weddings are so fabulous, and yours must be the top of the top. Vedant, we're so happy that we get to spend this time with you. We've missed you all these years since Brattle. And Pooja, it's been great to meet you, and we can't wait to spend more time together.
Thank you for the saris. They're very beautiful.
We are so stylish, all thanks to you. And all the gifts have been over the top. Thanks again, and congratulations.
Banayo.
From college, and she's one of the craziest person whom I know.
We've known Pooja since we were 14, and we've gone through a lot together. The first time we went on a trip together, and her phase of making puffs and different hair colors, and also getting into the designing, getting the designing kida inside her, and ended up having her own label. Yes. Very, very sensible and a genuine person. But yes, very hyper if you're not on time. We wish Vedant very good luck because she's the most adjustable person. Vedant is a very lucky man. I think
Best confidant Vedant you can ever get in life is going to be Pooja. And she's a caring, loving and an affectionate person to be with.
Very, very organized and disciplined. So we want to, aware you. And enlighten you.
Vedant, because
she's very particular about her things, so which also makes her very holistic also. And you'll be very chill if Pooja is around. You don't have to do a lot. She'll take care of most of the stuff.
she would be needing some 2 or 3 closets, big
Yeah.
closets, and probably
A
your
very
stuff would be out.
shopaholic. Let me just get
And
it.
a lot of drawers and hangers.
Yeah.
And those
you're
pins
going to have
on which
the
you hang
best
clothes.
time of your life with her now, Vedant. It's just going to start.
And they look awesome together. We wish
A very, very happy wedded life.
शाम गुलाबी शहर गुलाबी पहर गुलाबी है गुलाबी ये शहर मैं भी गुलाबी तू है गुलाबी दिन भी गुलाबी है गुलाबी ये कहर
जाने रे जाने मन जाने है रंग रंग गुलाबी है प्रीत
जाने रे जाने सब जाने है रंग रंग गुलाबी है प्रीत रो
जाने रे जाने सब जाने है रंग रंग गुलाबी है प्रीत जाने रे जाने जाने है
जाने रे जाने सब जाने है रंग रंग गुलाबी है प्रीत रो गुलाबी डोरी है बंदी ये चोरी है ना चोरा चोरी है ना सीना चोरी है गुलाबी चैन गुलाबी नैन गुलाबी है गुलाबी है सफर हाँ
गुलाबी डोरी है बंदी ये चोरी है यारों का टोकी है ना सीना चोरी है
शाम गुलाबी शहर गुलाबी पहर गुलाबी है गुलाबी ये शहर मैं भी गुलाबी तू है गुलाबी दिन भी गुलाबी है गुलाबी ये कहर
जाने रे जाने मन जाने है रंग रंग गुलाबी है प्रीत
जाने रे जाने सब जाने है रंग रंग गुलाबी है प्रीत रो
जाने रे जाने सब जाने है
तेरे ख्यालों में बीते रातें दिल मेरा मांगे एक ही दुआ तू सामने हो और करूं मैं बातें लम्हा रहे यूं ठहरा हुआ पहले तो कभी यूं मुझको ना ऐसा कुछ हुआ दीवानी लहरों को जैसे साहिल मिला एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा ओ मेरे सोने आवे छड़ सारी गलियां
Pooja Di, I just wanted to say that we all will miss you a lot. I hope to get all the things you want in your life, and Vedant Ji, I think he'll be the best husband.
Hey Pooja, hi. You know we all love you and we congratulate you on your wedding, and I hope that you get everything what you aim for in your life.
दूर दराजे लाइया मोहब्बतां दूर दराजे अखियां तो होया कसूर है अखियां तो होया कसूर माए नी मेरी शिमले दी राहें चंबा कितनी दूर है चंबा कितनी दूर माए नी मेरी शिमले दी राहें चंबा कितनी दूर शिमले नी बसना कसौली नी बसना शिमले नी बसना कसौली नी बसना
Are we rolling?
Oh, It's starting?
Yeah.
ऐसा है दोनों मिक्स एंड मैच करके बोल लेंगे.
एक बार फिर से.
ना 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 ऐसे नहीं बैठते हैं. क्या कर रहा है?
I don't want him to call me after like 1 month or 2 months. Like, dude, are you crazy? क्या बोला? Why would you see that? फंसा दिया तूने मेरे को. Why would you see that, man? पार्टी एनिमल हर जगह पार्टी करते रहेगा. पार्टी एनिमल ज़्यादा हो जाएगा शायद. बर्थडे बम्स बहुत बेकार मारे उसको. लेकिन जूनियर की रैगिंग तो लेते था ये. Let's not get into that. हाँ. वेदांत का भी बहुत बेकार ही हुआ था भाई. एक टाइल पे एक्चुअली खड़ा किया था 2 लोगों को और फिर मतलब आगे क्या गया था वो. That's what I realized when he turned here. Like no. I was not aware till now that something is going on right. मेरे को लगता है सीनियर भी इम्प्रेस थे. जूनियर तो जूनियर है. No comments. I should go and you should talk to him. He might say few things. There were very few people in our college who used to manage cultural, academic, sports, and he was the guy who used to head almost everything except for education. छोड़ दो यार. God bless you.
All the best, guys. Congratulations, and we love you. Wishing you a very happy marriage.
We meant to be and then flying kiss.